Are you wasting money on AI tools before making your first faceless video? Because this is where a lot of beginners get trapped. Not because AI tools are bad. I use AI tools. I pay for way too many AI tools. I have tested too many AI tools. But if you are still trying to make your first faceless video, opening your wallet might not be the thing that helps you start. It might be the thing that keeps you stuck. Right now, you are listening to an AI voice, watching simple visuals, and following a script. This channel is human-led. I just do not use my own voice or film myself. This video opening did not need a giant AI tool stack. It did not need 8 subscriptions. It did not need a secret automation system from a man pointing at a laptop in a rented-looking office. But if you are trying to make your first faceless video, the internet is very good at making you feel like you need to spend money before you start. An AI voice tool, an AI video tool, an AI image tool, an editing tool, a prompt pack, a workflow, a course, a passive income system. And suddenly, before you have uploaded one video, you are already building a subscription graveyard. Hello! Welcome back to Smart AF. So today we are doing the opposite. We are talking about what you actually need to make your first faceless AI video, what you can ignore for now, and why your first goal should not be finding the perfect tool. It should be finishing one video. And because I know this part gets overwhelming fast, I made a free guide called Your First Faceless AI Video. Done. It gives you the simple starting point without the tool chaos. You can grab it through the link in the description. But first, let's talk about the trap that gets beginners spending before they are creating. And yes, I was one of them. I spent a lot of money and time, and I wish I had started sooner. The trap is simple. Buying tools feels safer than making decisions. Because if you are still researching, comparing, testing, and watching tutorials, you do not have to face the scary part. Publishing. But your first faceless video does not need to be perfect. It needs to exist. So instead of asking, what is the best AI tool? Ask this. What is the simplest way to finish one video? That changes everything. For your first faceless video, you need 5 basic parts. 1. A clear idea. Not a huge niche strategy, not a full content calendar, just one useful idea someone can understand quickly. For example, a common mistake, a simple tutorial, a myth people believe, a tool you tested, a topic you feel strongly about. Start small. 2. A short script. Do not try to write the most impressive video of your life. Write a simple script that explains one thing clearly. A good beginner structure is problem, mistake, simple fix, next step. That is enough. 3. Audio. You can use your own voice, or you can use an AI voice, but do not spend days testing every voice tool. Pick one option that sounds clear, understandable, and not painful to hear. Clear beats perfect. 4. Simple visuals. This is where people overcomplicate everything. Your first faceless video does not need cinematic AI scenes, custom characters, or perfect B-roll. You can use text cards, screenshots, simple stock clips, screen recordings, basic icons, or just a simple fixed background. The point is not to impress people with effects. The point is to help them understand the idea. 5. Editing and publishing. Keep the edit simple. Readable text, clean cuts, good pacing, no transition circus. Then publish it. Because the first video teaches you what no tool review can teach you. You will learn what takes too long. You will learn what feels easy. You will learn where you actually need help. And then, if you decide to pay for a tool, you will know why. That is the difference. Buying tools after you understand your workflow can be smart. Buying tools before you have made anything can become procrastination with a monthly bill. So here is the Smart AF rule. Make one simple faceless video before you build a full AI tool stack. One finished video will teach you more than another week of comparing subscriptions. And that is exactly why I made the free guide. I wish I had known this before I spent money on too many subscriptions, published nothing, and felt completely overwhelmed and stuck. Your first faceless AI video. Done. It gives you a clear starting point so you are not sitting there with 12 tabs open, wondering which tool is supposed to change your life. You can grab it through the link in the description. No fake passive income promise. No quit your job by Thursday nonsense. just a practical first step. Because AI can help you create faster, but it cannot make the first decision for you. It cannot choose the idea. It cannot press publish. And it definitely cannot save you from buying tools you do not need yet. So before you open your wallet, make one video. Start small. Keep it clear. Use the tools you already have. Then decide what is actually worth paying for. Your wallet deserves peace. Your brain deserves fewer tabs. And your first video deserves to exist. If you want more of this, evidence, red flags, and reality checks on what the internet is actually selling, Smart AF is the place. Subscribe and grab the free guide, link in the description. Stop overthinking, start publishing. Facts over fees or fear. Clarity over chaos. See you soon. Thanks for listening. If you know someone who needs this info, please share this video with them. If you found this interesting, a thumbs up and subscribe would mean a lot. And tap the bell so you never miss an update.